Hello there. I'm your host, Hans Sonnenberg. Welcome to the seventh episode of our podcast series on refugee voices. Today, we'll be discussing the vital role that organizations and government agencies play in helping refugees resettle and integrate into American society. Organizations and government agencies are the backbone of the refugee resettlement and integration process. These individuals have often faced unimaginable hardships and trauma in their home countries, and it is our moral responsibility to provide them with the support and resources they need to rebuild their lives in a new country. One of the key ways that organizations and government agencies assist refugees is by providing them with access to housing. Many refugees arrive in the United States with very little, if any, possessions, and finding affordable and safe housing can be a major challenge. Organizations such as the International Rescue Committee and the United Nations Refugee Agency work tirelessly to secure housing for refugees and ensure that they have a stable place to call home as they begin their new lives. In addition to housing, organizations and government agencies also provide refugees with access to essential services such as health care, education, and employment assistance. Many refugees arrive in the United States with limited English skills and may struggle to navigate the complex systems in place to access these services. Organizations such as the U.S. Committee for Refugees and Immigrants and local refugee resettlement agencies work to bridge this gap by providing interpreters, cultural orientation programs, and job training to help refugees become self sufficient and integrated members of society. Furthermore, organizations and government agencies also play a vital role in advocating for the rights and well being of refugees. This includes working to ensure that refugees have access to legal representation, protecting them from discrimination and exploitation, and advocating for policies that support refugee resettlement and integration. By raising awareness about the challenges that refugees face and advocating for their rights, these organizations help to create a more welcoming and inclusive society for all. Ultimately, the work of organizations and government agencies in helping refugees resettle and integrate into American society is essential for building a more compassionate and inclusive society. By providing refugees with the support and resources they need to rebuild their lives, we not only fulfill our moral obligation to those in need, but also enrich our communities with the diverse perspectives and talents that refugees bring. Let us continue to support and uplift refugees as they embark on their journey to a better future in the United States. This has been the seventh episode of our podcast series on refugees. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on this important topic as we continue to shed light on the experiences and challenges faced by refugees and the efforts being made to support them. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Refugee Voices. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on this important topic as we continue to shed light on the experiences and challenges faced by refugees and the efforts being made to support them. Don't forget to check out my book on Amazon, Embracing Adversity, A Life Torn and Rebuilt, written by Hans Sonnenberg. There, you can delve deeper into my inspiring journey as a refugee seeking freedom and hope. Thank you and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next episode.